Hello guys, welcome to Studs Box. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna talk about how to derive distance formula. So first of all, what is distance formula? As you can conclude by name that it must be a formula to calculate distance. So let's take 2 points, first and this second. This is P and this is Q. Distance formula is only applicable if the coordinates of 2 points are given. For example, x1, y1 and coordinates of Q is x2, y2. So according to distance formula, PQ, this distance PQ will be equals to root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Okay. Now, how to derive this distance formula? So let's take coordinate axis. This is origin, this is x-axis, this is y-axis. Let's take 2 points. This is P and this is Q. Coordinates of point P are x1, y1 and coordinates of Q are x2, y2. So joining it with x-axis and y-axis, point P, and same with Q, joining it with x-axis and y-axis. Okay, so as you can see, this will be x1 from here to here and this will be y1 from here to here. Okay, and from this Q, x2, y2 coordinate, you can figure out that this will be x2 and this from here to here till origin, it will be y2. So if we join P and Q, we have to find this distance PQ. So let's complete this triangle, join it. Let's take, this is R. Okay, so we need to find PQ. Now as you can see here, PR will be x2 minus x1, x2 minus x1, and here as you can see, QR will be y2 minus y1. Okay, so we know PR equals to x2 minus x1, QR equals to y2 minus y1. Now using Pythagoras theorem, PGT, Pythagoras theorem, using Pythagoras theorem, you can see this is hypotenuse, height and base. Okay, so it will be PQ square, hypotenuse square equals to height square, that is QR square plus base square, that is PR square. Substituting value, PQ square will be y2 minus y1 whole square, PR will be x2 minus x1 and its whole square. So PQ, distance PQ will be root y2 minus y1 whole square plus x2 minus x1 whole square, and this is our distance formula. So hope you guys like the video. If yes, like, subscribe, share this video to your friends. Okay, see you next time.